Afternoon, everyone. Welcome to online CRT classes. Today we are going to discuss syllogisms part 6. So, first of all, I just recap the last class. Last class we discussed about either or concept. So, in this total syllogisms, either or concept is very important thing. So, you need to understand what is the either or when it will be used. So, first I just small recap for that one. The either or concept. The first point, both the elements of two given conclusions, it must be same. That means elements, what about that talking about the A or B or B or A, that should be same. One statement, it should be saying about the A and B, and the second statement also it should say about the A and B only. Okay. And another one conclusion should be positive, whereas another must be negative. So if two conclusions are given in options, they ask either one or two. This option, if you find out this option, then you have to check these three statements, three conditions here, three conditions. So first one, the both the elements to given conclusion must be same. Okay, and then second one conclusion should be positive, whereas another must be negative. So it should be one is positive, another one is negative statements. Okay, that negative, what's a positive statement? Some A are B is a positive, and some A or not B is a negative one. So, and one more important thing we discussed yesterday is the exception case. I'll show you here. Exception case. So this is we are not considered as a complementary pairs. Okay, all and no, because these are the stable words. Okay, and third condition, both the conclusion must be wrong individually. What it mean by here? So if individually, if you are checking this, the both conclusions will be wrong. Yesterday I given example also, A greater than B less than C. Then I'll take the numbers also 5, 3, 9. So we cannot say that. So A greater than C only. Okay. If many people think like this, so and we know that if A greater than B and B less than C, that means A always greater than B, people will think. So, but it is wrong. Why? I'll take the example. See, B is 3, A is 5, A is 5, C is 9. Then this condition is satisfied right here. So A is greater than B, B is less than C, but A cannot be greater than C, right? So we cannot say actually. We cannot say it is wrong. So it is A greater than C is wrong. We cannot say. Or you can say if A equal to 7, B equal to 3 and C equal to 5, then the condition will, here it is satisfied. Okay, here the A will be satisfied. So both will be possible. So we can say A either less than B, less than C, or A either greater than, less than or equal to C or greater than C. This will be possible. So for this, we can say both statements individually it must be wrong. Okay, it is a very important thing in either or concept. Now, already we checked complementary pairs also, and then I given the example of this one. And here the possibilities where the complementary statements conclusion will come, then all some not, that all is subject and the predicate is some not, then it's a parallel only it is acceptable. Parallel means I give an example here some A or B means, and you can write some B are not A also, we can write. Okay, this is sum. See, sum based on here, this is sum and sum not. Here parallel also is possible, crossing also is possible. So parallel, so this is crosswords, right? So this one is crosswords, A here and B here. It is possible for cross and parallel, and it is possible only for parallel, and some no also parallel and cross. Both will be possibilities. Okay, now. And we solve the sum of the problems also yesterday. So this one also, I think. And cups, no cups is middle, and we also solved this one also. Now we'll check some more problems. Okay. Now, first statement. Come to the statement first of all. So guys, once again, I'm recalling that three magical notes are very, very important. We are solving the problems based on that one only. And one is sum not. So sum and sum not is both are, it's a completely different words. It's just like two sides of the river. Okay, two sides of the rivers. So you cannot merge at a time. Okay, so that is what. So now here we just check some statement. Some paper are pens. All pens are scales. No scale is a marker. Then draw the Venn diagram first of all. Papers. I have papers, and then I have pens, and all papers pen. Scales. Scale, and then no scale is a marker. Marker also is one of the. Okay, now arrange this in a proper way. Totally 4. And what they're saying, some papers are pens. They said it's a paper and it's a pen. And some pens are scales. All pens are scale. Okay, like this. You can take like this. Okay, all pens are scales. And no scale is a marker. What they said, no scale is a marker. So there is no connection between marker and scale. We have to represent like this. So don't forget, we have to represent like this if there's no statement is there. Now, what is this? Paper. What is this? Pen. What is this? Scale. Okay, and this is marker. Is it clear? Now, Venn diagram is over. Now, first go to the conclusion. Which one is correct and which one is wrong? We'll check it now. So conclusion 1, what is it saying? No marker is paper. No marker is paper. So marker is here and paper is here. There is no connection between paper and marker in the statements. So we know the magical notes. If there is no connection between the Venn diagrams, so that definite conclusion will be treated as a false. Okay. So here is a paper. Here is a paper. There is no connection between the paper and marker, and they are saying yes, no marker is paper. We cannot say like this, right? So it may be chance. It's a connection. So according to rule note number 1, this will be wrong. Okay. So no marker is a paper. It is a possibility. If they said no marker is a pen, it's a possibility, then we can accept that. Okay. Now another statement. What's another statement? No marker is a pen. So here is a marker and here is a pen. Pen is all the pen is in scale. Okay. And here marker is having fight with scales. So in under scale, pens also is there, right? So if scales is a fighting, then pens also is fighting. So no marker is a pen is a right answer. See, just this is India, ma. Scales is India. This is our Andhra. Okay, and here it's a China. China is fighting with total India. The no scale is marker. No scale is marker. So that means even Andhra also fighting with China, right? So Andhra cannot be friendship with China. The total India is fighting with China. Okay, this is what. So this comes. This is true. No marker is pen. So of course, no marker is pen is the right answer. Okay. Then first of all, you just read the 3 magical notes. Just read it. You people will get to know after seeing the conclusion only. You have to say that it's correct or wrong. So that is why the 3 magical notes are very, very important. Okay. And come to the another one. I'm going to clear this. Is it clear, right, for you? Okay, now let's move on another statement. Statement: some papers are pens. All pens are. Oh, this also same, I think. Okay, see here. See, just see statement. Some papers are pens. Okay, all pens are scales, and no scale is a marker. No scale is a marker. Here also same thing. Just see now. No, just conclusion is changes. Conclusion is change, right? Now see here. Some markers being paper is a possibility. What they're saying? Some markers being a paper is a possibility. Of course. So according to note number 2, it is a possibility you can treat it as right answer, right? So here there is no connection between paper and marker. So it may be possible of marker. Some markers will be pen, paper. So some markers being paper is a possibility. Yes, of course, right answer, right? And all marker being paper is a possibility. All marker being a paper is a possibility. All marker is being a possibility. See, so all marker being a paper is a possibility. Yes, of course, it is also right answer. Why? If see, I'll write this in another diagram. I will show now just for your understanding purpose. See, here is a paper, right? Here is a marker. What they're saying, the marker and scale is don't have a connection. Suppose I write like this. Suppose this is a marker. Now think, for your understanding purpose, I'm writing this. This is a marker. Okay. Okay. Now the condition is satisfied, right? Paper. Some papers are pens. Okay. This part papers and pens is equal, and same this part is scales also for paper. But here is a marker. All marker being a paper is also possibility. So possibility is all possibility statements treated as a right. Okay. Now another one. See, some trees are paper. Some paper are pen. All pen are car. All car are truck. No truck is a cycle. Okay, see how many statements is there here. Just try to draw the Venn diagram for this one. I'll also draw here, and you just try to draw the Venn diagram. Okay. Now check that first Venn diagram. How? What is that? Paper. Okay, paper. Some tree are paper. Some tree are paper. They said. Some tree are paper. This is a paper. Okay. And some paper are pen. So pen also is there. Pen. Pen. Okay. All pen are car. All pen are car. All pen are car. All car are truck. All car are truck now. Okay. No truck is a cycle. No truck is a cycle. No truck is a cycle. Now, arrange this in a proper way. The first one, some trees are paper. Is it some trees are paper? Just some diagram. Always you have to remember just some. These are trees and these are paper. And some paper are pen. Can yeah. That some paper are pen. Okay, some paper are pen. And all pen are car. All pen are car. All pen are car. Okay. All car are truck. Now this, no truck is a cycle. No truck is a cycle. So always you don't forget to draw the Always don't forget to draw the line between these two when it is statement is no. Always you have to write like this. Then it is a correct Venn diagram. Okay. Now see what it says trees. Okay. And it is paper. And this will be pen. And this will be all pens are car. All cars are truck. And no truck is cycle. Now check the conclusion one. No cycle is a tree. No cycle is a tree. So tree is here, cycle is here. There is no connection between these two. There is no connection between these two. Cycle is here, tree is here, and they are giving the definite statement. It is a wrong one, right? So no cycle is a tree. It is a wrong. Okay. And no cycle is a paper. Even paper also connected with a pen. Pen is connected with the car. Car is connected with truck. But cycle is not connected with paper and tree, right? So to all the true definite statements is which is not connected the Venn diagrams, it is false. No cycle is a car. No cycle is a car. See, car. Where is the car here? In truck. So truck is just fights with a cycle. Just now I given an example. This all it is India and this will be Andhra. It is China. If it is China is fighting with India means so even Andhra also will fight the India. So now think it is a Asia. Asia is a India. It is a sorry. It is a Asia. It is India and it is Andhra. Okay. Now check this another. So this will be correct answer actually. So no cycle is a car. No cycle is a car. So if it is a fighting with truck, then also it's fighting with car also. Okay. No cycle is a pen. Of course, it's the right answer, right? So pen is in cars, car is in trucks. So every pen and every car is in under truck only. Okay. Suppose think. So one family is there. They are fighting with another family, and that another family plan to beat them in one day. For unfortunately, some relatives come to that this family, then that relative is also beaten by that, right? So of course it is also no pen is a cycle. It's a true answer. So it's also true answer. Okay. Now check another one. No, just see. Same thing. Sorry, I just no, just check it. Now check this. Now check this. All cycle being paper is a possibility. All cycle is being a paper. Paper. Where is the paper here? Paper is a possibility. Yes, of course, right answer. So it's a possibility, right? Possibility, right answer. Some tree being cycle is a possibility. Yes. Some trees also cycle. Being a cycle is possibility. Some cycle being car is a possibility. Some cycle being a car is a possibility. No, it's a, definitely it is showing it is no connection between truck and cycle. And the cars all including truck only. So there is no connection between no cycles will be car. So some cycle being car is a possibility. Wrong answer actually. So clearly they're saying the no connection between truck, cycle and pen also. All cycle being pen is possibility. Wrong answer. Okay. So by just learning the three magical notes, then you can solve the any type of syllogisms, right? No. Another example, we'll see. Some blue are green. Some green are pink. All pink are yellow. No yellow is black. And some black are red. Okay. See now. See with the statements now. Just follow this. What are the statements are given? Just read the statements. Some blue are green and some green are pink and all pink are yellow. No yellow is black. Some black are red. Now conclusion. So first, no black is green. No black is blue. No black is pink. No red is pink. No red is yellow. Here all the statements is no one. Okay. Then based on this, you have to find out which one is correct one. Okay. Now check. Some blue are green, some green are pink, all pink are yellow, no yellow is black, some black is red. And conclusion they given. All the no conclusions they given. Right? Suppose we check it first of all. First draw the Venn diagram. This is blue. And this will be okay, green will take green only. All green. Okay. And some green are pink. Pink. And all pink are yellow. Okay, we'll take yellow. No yellow is black. Okay, black we cannot possible, white will take. Okay, it's already white is here. We'll take this one. Okay. This is a black. Some black are red. It is also not visible properly. See, it will be better here. Now we'll arrange this in a proper manner. First of all, what is this? Blue. Some blue are green. Some blue are green. Some blue are green and some green are pink. Some green are pink. Some green are pink. Okay. So all pink are yellow. All pink are yellow. All pink are yellow. No yellow is black. Okay, take it. It is a black. And some black are red. Rightly. And you should know this. And we have to connect like this for no connection. Okay. Right. Now I just give the names here. What are the names? This is blue. This is green. And this will be pink. And this will be yellow. And no yellow is black. This is black. And some black are red. Okay. Now check the conclusions. Now first check the conclusion. First conclusion. No block is green. No block is green. There is a block here. This one is, sorry, this, we can write like this. This is a block and this is blue. Okay. No block is green. Where is the block here? Here. Okay, black. And where is green here? So here there is no connection between black and green in a Venn diagram, and they given definite possibility. So it is a wrong. Simply it is a wrong based on the first node. Okay. And another one. Is that another one? Yeah. No black is blue. No black is blue. Also, there is no connection between black and blue. Actually, there is no connection between these two Venn diagrams. So there is no connection between two Venn diagrams. If in between conclusion, if it is a definite conclusion, it must be treated as a wrong. So no black is a blue. It is a wrong one. So we cannot take this a definite conclusion between two Venn diagrams which is don't have a connection. Okay, and no black is pink. No black is pink. Where is the pink here? Pink. This one. See. This is the pink. Okay, and what they're saying, no black is pink. See, black is here and pink is here, and black is fights with yellow. So all pink is having inside the yellow. So that means this fight will be with pink also, right? So no black will be pink. Yes, of course. Right answer. No black is pink. Right answer. Now, no red is pink. Where is the red here? Here. So pink is here. So here they say the connection, the fights between black and yellow, and there is no inclusion of red here. So red. So no red is pink. We cannot say directly. It may be a possibility. Maybe a possibility. It is also wrong. No red is a pink. It's wrong. No red is a yellow. It's also not possible. So see, if no red is a yellow, it is also wrong one. How it is wrong one? So same based on these that three magical diagram, that means magical nodes, you should consider it is a wrong one. Okay, it is a wrong one. See, I'll show the diagram. If red is here, right? Red is here. So I can draw like this, right? I can draw like this. See, some yellow are red, some yellow are black, but there is no connection between yellow and black. That's it. See, for example, I'll take the countries. So India and China is fighting, and India is talking to the USA, and China also is talking to the USA. So this is like USA. I have a connection with the USA, and this also is connection having with the USA, but we don't have the connection with China and India. Okay, is it clear? So this one is wrong, this one is wrong. Only one statement is true. Okay, and now just clearing this. Okay, that's what today's problems we discuss in a syllogisms. So tomorrow we'll discuss some more problems. So up to that, if you're become a master in syllogisms, we will discuss all the concepts. One more concept is there, that is only and only few. So this concept also is over. Then we can solve some more examples. Then we can end this syllogisms concept. Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye bye now. Keep practicing.